My name is Art, and I'm the creative director at Shop Innovator.
Hi, I'm Dorit, and I'm the content manager at Shop Innovator.
Shop Innovator helps business owners to build, promote, and support their e-commerce stores. And we've been doing it for a couple of decades, and our specialty is in the home and garden category. We're going to talk about how to sell gardening products online more successfully, and we're going to cover 10 profit-generating strategies that will make your products easier to sell online.